Hello everybody. In this video we're going to take a look at how we can create an executable of our game level here. So I have a scene here filled with a lot of student work, lots of different houses that I had my students build. I also have a character here that a student created, and what I want to do is to be able to share this with others so that they can check it out, so they can play it, so we can really show off the wonderful work that these students have done. And I want to be able to share that without actually having to share my whole Unity project, and be able to share it in a way that doesn't require that people who are going to be checking this out have the Unity game engine software installed on their computers. So let's take a look at how we can create an executable of this scene here. Now currently I can of course play this as I work with it in Unity. But again, I don't really want to share all of this with everyone. So let's look at how we can create an executable of this level here. First thing I'm going to do is go to File, Build Settings, and currently I have under the Scenes to Build, I have a previous level in here. This is not actually the one I wanted to build. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that, and I'm going to click on the Add Open Scenes so that we're building this current level that I have here. Now notice that I actually have it set up as the platform PC, and that's what I wanted to create it to. So now what I'm going to do is go to Build and Run. I need to tell it, of course, where to build. I've already created a folder called Unity Builds here. I'm going to create another folder inside that. And I'll select that folder for putting this build. And because I told it to build and run, it'll, when it's done, automatically open up, and here we are inside the level. And we can explore it. And then when we're done, we can escape out. So I've created a quick little script that will allow me to escape out of this. If you create your own builds, you'll either need to provide a means for your players to be able to quit out of the level, or they'll have to do use Control-Shift-Escape to get out of the level. Now, I've created a way of quitting out of this by simply hitting the Escape button, so that's what I'm going to do. Now, as I had mentioned before, I actually needed to create a way of making it easier for my users to quit out of that level there. Otherwise, as I said, you would need to use Control-Shift-Escape to quit out of it. I'll just very quickly show you what I did here to make a way of making escaping out of it very easy. What I did was create this game node that I just called Game Quit. It's nothing more than a empty object here, create empty. And then what I did was create a script for it called Quit Script. which just gives a means for escaping by using the escape key, by quitting using the escape key on your keyboard. We'll take a look at that in a future video. But notice that on that node, I have actually dragged the script on there, and that's what's allowing my users to quickly escape out of this. Okay, let's go and take a quick look at what this executable looks like. So I'm going to go to the folder where I have it. If you remember, I created this CMT123 houses folder. The reason why I like to create a folder specifically for this build is because if we go inside it, you'll see that there's actually two subfolders in here, our executable and a couple other files. So it makes it a little bit more convenient. You'll need to have all of that. So it makes it a little more convenient if you just put it into a folder. In fact, if I want to share this with others, I think what I might do is create a zipped file of it. Anyway, let's go ahead and navigate in there one more time. I'll go ahead and just double click on the executable. Once again, it will run. It'll come in here very quickly, very easily. This gives us something that we can share really easily with others so that they can experience the levels that we create in Unity and give us feedback. So I hope that this video will be useful for you, and thank you for watching.